You have probably been wondering how to get more odds with less bets. In this video, I'll show you a smart market which is a over 1.5 first half that could help you to win more with less money. So I'll be focusing on the Italian Serie A, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Napoli and Sassuolo. So checking the last 5 matches, we can see that on April 30, 2022, Napoli did win the match 6-1. So the strategy of which we'll be focusing on is the over 1.5 first half, which is the first half market. So here you can see that our strategy worked because 4 goals were scored the first half. So the market did work. You can also apply for over 2.5, but it's risky. Here I'll be focusing on the 1.5. Checking on October 29, 2022, we can see that 3 goals were scored the first half, so our market did work again here. Seems like this market likes. Moving on the next match on February 17, 2023, we can see that 2 goals were scored. And our market did work again here because we can see that 2 goals were scored in that match, and our market is over 1.5 first half, and our market did work here. So moving on the next match, August 27, 2023, you can see that only 1 goal was scored in this match, so it means that our market did not work. But our logo did work 3 times in a row. Seems like this market works. Let's see on the next match, even to February 28, 2024, we can see that 4 goals were scored in that match, and our market did work. Here. So guys, as we were analyzing, we can see that our market did work 4 times. So it means that this is a solid market. You can go for it if you want to win your bet. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.